Hello friends, welcome to ProTalent and I am Nitin Parmar. I welcome you all for this very important discussion on how to prepare for IIM IPM. My dear students, if you are in standard 12th or you are in 11th standard or you are in 10th standard, this video is very crucial for you because many of you may be targeting to develop a career in management. Management career can be developed through varieties of the means. Yes, you can take science or you can take commerce, okay? And with science, you can do your engineering or MBBS, or let's say you do your BSc, or with the commerce, you do your BCom or BBA, okay? You can very well enter into this MBA degree. दोस्तों अलग अलग तरीके से आप मैनेजमेंट कोर्स में जा सकते हैं, बट वन ऑफ द बेस्ट वे to enter into, you can say, management world is through this integrated program in management. ठीक है दोस्तों, ये जो इंटीग्रेटेड प्रोग्राम इन मैनेजमेंट जिसका पायोनियर आईआईएम इंदौर था, ठीक है, और उसके बाद रोहतक और बोध गया ने ये चालू किया. ठीक है, नाउ दिस कोर्सेज आर वन ऑफ द वंडरफुल कोर्सेज because even in undergraduation program of 3 year they provide global exposures. Yes or no? Students like you will be sitting in the classroom with the, you can say, expert faculty who is nationally renowned, and more importantly they are going to give you a very good thought process. ठीक है, प्राइमरली अगर आप ये बात करें कि आपका सोचने का नजरिया, आपकी स्किल डेवलपमेंट, ठीक है, आपका अंडरस्टैंडिंग टुवर्ड्स वर्ल्ड विल इंप्रूव एट अ क्रूशियल स्टेज विच इज योर अंडरग्रेड डिग्री. दोस्तों ये जो अंडरग्रेड डिग्री होती है ना, वो बहुत क्रूशियल बन जाती है क्योंकि वो एक फाउंडेशन बन जाती है आगे, यू कैन से, मास्टर्स डिग्री करने के लिए, और साथ में यू कैन से आपके करियर को एक अच्छा शेप देने के लिए. इसीलिए there are large number of students who are fighting for IIM IPM. In fact, you can say IIM IPM इस साल से 3 जगह पे अवेलेबल है. दैट इज इंदौर, सेकंड इज रोहतक, थर्ड इज बोध गया. आज के इस सेशन में आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट व्हाट हैपेंड लास्ट ईयर with respect to examination, because that foundation will help us to identify how do I prepare for the next few days. Yes or no? That is number one. Number two, I will also tell you that how to prepare for this examination. And number three, this year, due to, you can say, COVID, we have delayed board examinations. Yes or no? So many of you will have your board examinations in the month of May. Okay, so CBSE तो already बोल चुका है, it is 4th of May to 10th of June, and various state government have a different dates of examinations. Gujarat, Maharashtra has clearly mentioned that the examination will happen in the month of May. Now, these examinations will also clash, ठीक है, with your board exam, which means primarily it will be after your board examination. Okay, so it will possibly happen in the month of June, or it may possibly take place in the month of April. So far no specific dates are available. Let's forget about dates. Okay, let's understand about how to prepare whatever is the time available. From my point of view, I believe that this January, February and March, these are the 3 crucial months, ठीक है, for all of you to prepare for this examinations. जो स्टूडेंट्स इस साल इस एग्जामिनेशन देना चाहते हैं उनके लिए ये बहुत क्रूशियल मंथ है, और जो लोग 11th या 10th में हैं और अगर ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो उनके लिए ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण पार्ट है कि किस तरीके से तैयारी करते हैं. Okay, so you will get to know what kind of, you can say, necessary things you have to keep in mind. I hope you are with me. Let me start to talk about this. दोस्तों प्रो टैलेंट की तरफ से ये आपको सेशन मिल रहा है. हमारी तरफ से एक तगड़ा कोर्स अवेलेबल है which is a video course. We have a study material and we have a test series module. All these things are provided, you can say, in the description. Please go through description of this video. There are links provided and you will get every information about it. So when we want to talk about what are the important dates for 2021, we need to go by what happened last year. Last year also, that is 2020, the entire year was affected by COVID, and thereby many colleges got into a lot of trouble. So 2020 IIM IPM Indore conducted a separate examination. Rohtak conducted a separate examination. Bodh Gaya was not there. So IIM IPM Indore was conducted on 7th of September. Okay, now this is due to COVID. It got delayed. Generally, it was expected to take place in the month of May. Okay, but it got extended till September. What about this year's date? This year, this is the information they provided on their website. उनकी वेबसाइट के ऊपर ये इंफॉर्मेशन है. Yes or no? क्या इंफॉर्मेशन है? IPM application process will start by second week of February. Okay, and the exam may possibly take place in the last week of April. I believe that they may change this. Okay, why? Because of board examination. So possibly this will take place by June 2021. My dear students, I'm just predicting it. Okay, we are not getting into speculation, but this is very reasonable thing to believe, because after 12th you can say JEE examinations, you can say have been, you can say modified. JEE, you can say advanced examination is coming in the month of July. Okay, CLAT is coming in the month of June. Okay, so that means I think June could be a good time to target. However, we can say we are not predicting anything. This is a pure data available from the Indore's website. I hope you are with me on this. Very good. Okay, now this was the exam. Traditionally, this examination is not of this small size. Okay, this is a small size exam. Okay, sir, what do you mean by small size exam? Let me tell you. So there are three sections. They maintained three sections last year as well. So you have a quantitative section. It has MCQ. There are quantitative sections where there are short answer type questions, and there are verbal section. Okay, so traditionally this paper is of 40 question, this is of 20 question, and this is of 40 questions. Okay, this is how the examination is. Okay, and there are 40 minutes, 40 minutes, and 40 minutes. Okay, last year in 2020, due to COVID, they had to reduce this paper, so they reduced it to 20, 10, 30. Okay, so 20 questions for MCQ, 10 question for short answer type. What do you mean by short answer type? There is a blank and you have to type it. Okay, you have to type in there. Okay, and get your answer. Is that comfortable? Yes. So there were 30 minutes, 30 minutes, and 30 minutes. This is what the structure last year. Okay, this is a traditional structure. Okay, okay. We don't know what will happen this year. I believe that they will continue with their own traditional structure, because this year they are getting more time to plan. There are not a lot of unpredictable scenario. When you apply for IIM IPM, you can say there are few colleges which take score of IIM IPM. So you have to apply separately to those colleges in case you are interested. One of them is called Nirma. Nirma University in Ahmedabad is one of the very important university. Nationally, it has a very good reputation, and in case you are interested to do this 5-year integrated course, Nirma in Ahmedabad is one of your best choice. Okay, let's start to move further. Okay, now this is what the complete structure of the examination. How many questions were asked from each area? Okay, now this will give you clarity about how to prepare further. Okay, so for example, data interpretation, there were 5 questions. Probability and permutation combinations, 2. Averages, 2. And rest of the other topics like number system, geometry, coordinate, logs, functions, trigo, ratio proportion, set theory, matrices, functions, all of them together we can say were of 20 questions. Yes or no? I think this is pretty clear. Now why I'm showing this, so that you are very well aware that these are the kind of areas you have to work on. The questions are not very straightforward. they are calculative in nature, they demand good analytical capability as well. Okay, now what do you mean by analytical capability? So they are not going to ask you a direct question that, okay, if let's say if we talk about questions related to ratio proportion, so they are not going to ask direct question on ratio and proportion. Okay, so they are going to mix few concepts together. Okay, okay, this is what you have to understand. Okay, great. Moving further, if we talk about short answer type, okay, now this was interesting. Number system is a good weightage, matrices is another area. So if you have taken 11th 12th mathematics, okay, in your board, I believe you must have get exposed yourself to matrices, functions and logs. Okay, this is very important. Okay, if you have not taken it, you must study it. Okay, you must study matrices, ठीक है, logs and functions. These are the very important questions दोस्तों. उसके अलावा you have these areas. Now you can say, considering all this topic, there are 10 standard, you can say, level topics, yes or no? Couple of topics are of 11th and 12th standard, but majority you try and focus on your 10th standard. Okay, but the level of questions will be of reasonably very high level. Okay, and there is a big difference दोस्तों. जो लोग कैट की तैयारी करते हैं, दैट इज IIM की तैयारी करते हैं, ग्रेजुएशन के स्टूडेंट्स, ठीक है, जो कैट के लिए जाते हैं और जिनकी किताबें मार्केट में मिलती है, ठीक है, आप वही किताबों से अगर IIM IPM की तैयारी करेंगे तो मेरे हिसाब से गलत हो जाएगा, क्योंकि IIM IPM is traditionally very different level of examination. ठीक है, they are, you can say, analytical in nature, but they are not, you can say, as high analytical as they are in CAT. CAT is more of logic oriented examination. IIM IPM is more of math knowledge based examination. There is a big difference दोस्तों. जो लोग सिर्फ कैट का जो कंटेंट लेकर आपको IIM IPM का कंटेंट दे देते हैं, ठीक है, बिल्कुल गलत है दोस्तों, वो सही तरीके से नहीं होगा. देयर इज अ स्पेशल वे अवेलेबल. ओके, सो कीप दैट इन माइंड. एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट वर्बल एबिलिटी, दिस इज अ वेरी क्रूशियल एरिया दोस्तों. ये समझना जरूरी है, जो हमने तीन सेक्शन के बारे में बात करी, देयर इज अ सेपरेट कट ऑफ अवेलेबल फॉर इंडिविजुअल सेक्शन, एंड इसीलिए ये वर्बल एबिलिटी टर्न्स आउट टू बी वेरी क्रूशियल, यू कैन से प्रोग्राम. दोस्तों, वर्बल एबिलिटी इज अ लॉन्ग टर्म स्ट्रेटेजी. इट कैन नॉट बी डन इन अ शॉर्ट टर्म. ओके, सो इफ you want to do it in the last 1 month or last 15 days, ठीक है, this is not going to work. Okay, you have to develop good command over vocab. Yes, this is very important. आप देखिए, fill in the blank के 6 questions है और 5 questions है, incorrect usage के 5 questions है. This is more of, let's say, ग्रामर बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस, ठीक है, फिल इन द ब्लैंक लॉजिकल आइडिया है, पैरा जंबल है, ठीक है, और पैरा कंप्लीशन है. टोटल 30 क्वेश्चंस, और 30 क्वेश्चन में से आई बिलीव लार्ज नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स आर नॉट एबल टू क्लियर दिस कट ऑफ because they believe that language is very easy. But my dear students, language is an integrated approach. It requires you to develop a deeper insight. Many of you can say, must have good command over your English, which is a school level. But when it comes to competitive level, okay, you need to develop a deeper understanding about, you can say, usage of words. So vocab plays a very important role. दोस्तों, vocab के ऊपर आपको बिल्कुल ध्यान देना है. अगर आप उसके ऊपर ध्यान नहीं दोगे तो ये आपको पक्का फंसाएगा. I hope it is clear to you. Great. So let me tell you, keeping what was a kind of cutoff in 2020 examination. ठीक है, we know that short answer type, there were, you can say, 4 marks for one question. So someone who got 20 marks, ठीक है, which means only 5 questions out of 10. Okay, ठीक है, this is very important. Quantitative MCQ 26. Okay, 26, you can say, that makes it to some around 6.5. Okay, so that is 6.5 questions out of 20. Okay, and look at verbal ability. ठीक है, this is crucial. Okay, this is 17 out of 30. Okay, so आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे on an average 50%, यहाँ पे less than 50%, और यहाँ पे more than 50%. ठीक है, which means we have to focus a lot on verbal ability. ठीक है, अलग अलग कैटेगरी वाइज आपके सामने अलग अलग कट ऑफ है, सो दैट यू कैन वेरी वेल plan your preparation based on which category you belong to. However, I believe that every one of us must target these numbers. Okay, these are the kind of numbers, these are the number of candidates who cleared this cutoff. Okay, ठीक है. सो दोस्तों, ये रहा आपके सामने एक बड़ा सा नंबर. मुझे ये समझ में आता है कि इन नंबरों को अगर मैं ध्यान दूं, ठीक है, तो मुझे ये पता चलता है कि कैसे भी करके I need to focus a lot on, you can say, all areas, and उनमें सबसे ज्यादा focus I have to do on a verbal ability, because the students who may be, let's say, some of you may be preparing for JEE, so your math may be very good. ठीक है, some of you may be, let's say, 11 12th math students, so your math will be very good. So math आप काफी सालों से डेवलप करते आ रहे हो, ठीक है, आपने बहुत समय डाला है, आपने उसके पीछे बहुत मेहनत करी है. Something which you have not worked on is your verbal, so make sure that you focus on that. Okay, ठीक है, and you can say this is basically maximum and you can say minimum score, कि भैया मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम कैटेगरी में जो अलग अलग कैटेगरी के जो स्कोर है वो यहाँ पे बताया है. ठीक है, दिस इज ATS which is called aptitude test score, ठीक है, which is calculated considering this sectional test in mind. ठीक है, तो उनका ये मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम स्कोर आपके सामने दिया है, which is टोटल मार्क्स में से 100 में कन्वर्ट करके बताया, which means if you are able to score 47% minimum, then there is a possibility that you will get, you can say, call for interview. दोस्तों, यहाँ पे रिटन एग्जाम होगी, उसके बाद इंटरव्यू होगा. ओके, सो वो इंटरव्यू में जाने के लिए यू नीड मिनिमम 47 मार्क्स, प्रोवाइडेड आपका सेक्शनल कट ऑफ क्लियर होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे 20 आने चाहिए, यहाँ पे 26 आने चाहिए, यहाँ पे 68 आने चाहिए. हर साल ये नंबर वेरी करता है. इट इज नॉट सेम फॉर एवरी ईयर. कीप दैट इन माइंड. ओके, ग्रेट. आगे बढ़ते दोस्तों. ओके, नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट IIM IPM रोहतक. ओके, दिस इज हरियाणा बेस्ड कॉलेज, वन ऑफ द वंडरफुल पार्ट. लास्ट ईयर इसका एग्जाम हुआ था, यू कैन से जुलाई 20, ठीक है, एंड 21 को ये घर पे बैठ के एग्जाम हुआ था. ठीक है, दिस वाज, यू कैन से, सेल्फ प्रोक्टर्ड एग्जामिनेशन. दिस टुक प्लेस ऑन अ गूगल फॉर्म इन अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम. People appeared on a Google form and they got their score. Okay, ठीक है, so that was little weird, but you can say COVID ने हमें यही काम करने के लिए मजबूर किया था. ठीक है, अब आप देखिए दोस्तों, इस साल क्या होगा. They are saying that application will open by second week of April. Last date to submit will be second week of May, and their exam will take place by third week of May. Okay, now I believe that this year it is not possible to be conducted on third week of May. This will also go by June. Okay, so thereby interview will also go to some around in the July month. Okay, so this is what the tentative date you have to keep in mind. Last year the examination had two sections. Section 1 MCQ, section 2 was verbal ability test. Section 1 had total 60 questions on three areas: quant, logical reasoning, and verbal ability. So there is one more area which you have to prepare for, is called logical reasoning. Okay, I hope you are able to understand this idea that logical reasoning is a very comfortable thing. Many of you will be in a position to manage. So as I mentioned, the 60 questions were on Google form. 45 minutes were provided and there were 15 minutes break, and there were, you can say, 30-minute के दो short essays were to be provided. Okay, ठीक है, this paper was reasonable, that is more easy to moderate level पे बोल सकते हैं. That was not very tough. ठीक है, the paper was not very tough. Few questions may be tough. Okay, few questions may be tough. Look at the kind of questions being asked from each area. ठीक है, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, स्क्वायर रूट, आई कैन से परसेंटेजेस, टाइम्स पे डिस्टेंस, परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन. ठीक है, PNC के 7 क्वेश्चंस थे, उनमें से करीबन 2 से 3 क्वेश्चंस वर वेरी डिफिकल्ट. ओके, ठीक है, सो आई थिंक सम ऑफ यू विल बी इन अ पोजीशन टू मैनेज, यू कैन से, दिस पर्टिकुलर फ्रंट. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट लॉजिकल अरेंजमेंट के क्वेश्चंस थे, ठीक है, दे वर नॉट डूएबल इन अ गिवन टाइम. समझो, ठीक है, इट इज जस्ट 45 मिनट्स. 45 मिनट में यू हैव टू कवर ऑल 3 सेक्शंस, सो दे वर नॉट डूएबल। अगर आप वहां पे जाते तो आपका समय बहुत वेस्ट होता। हालांकि आप ये सभी क्वेश्चंस बहुत जल्दी से कर पाते। It was very manageable. Okay. Similarly, if I talk about vocab, ठीक है, word usage, ठीक है, they were very easy because this entire 20 we can say questions can be done in some around 5 to 7 minutes. ठीक है, they were so easy. Okay, word pairing, sentence completion, word replacement, error identification, passage based question, small passage, and you were able to manage. Okay, so overall this paper was very manageable. If we talk about what is the kind of cutoff they expected, they said minimum marks needed were 144, ठीक है, out of total 60 questions, each question carrying 4 marks, so this is about 240. okay, 240 में से 144 चाहिए, ठीक है, वैट में मिनिमम 48 चाहिए, ठीक है, प्लस एकेडमिक स्कोर के ऊपर उन्होंने कट ऑफ लगाया था दैट 10th में इतने मिनिमम मार्क्स चाहिए, 12th में इतने मिनिमम मार्क्स चाहिए, और इसके बेसिस के ऊपर इतने सारे बच्चों को उन्होंने शॉर्टलिस्ट किया था। हालांकि 5000 बच्चों को शॉर्टलिस्ट करना, ठीक है, इस मतलब अगर देखें तो बहुत इंसेन लगता है, ठीक है, बट इफ यू लुक फ्रॉम यू कैन से कॉलेज पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, दे डोंट नो how many of them will actually turn up for the PI. Okay, so they need to keep everything in a proper pipeline. Okay, so they kept this many people in pipeline. Number of seats are 120, and this is how the IIM Rohtak managed. Okay, for example, if we talk about IIM IPM Bodh Gaya, this is for the first year they are going to bring their course. Okay, so many of you may be interested to get into the IIM, and you may get an opportunity at a lower score as well. I believe the people who are going to get good score, they are going to get into IIM IPM Indore. The second category for them would be Rohtak, and this will be the third preference. Okay, and what do you think? Or you may answer, what do you think? Should I take admission in some universities like, let's say, DU or Symbiosis or NMIMS? उसके सामने मैं IIM IPM बोध गया में जाऊं? मेरा मानना है that you must go to this place. This is wonderful opportunity. ठीक है, even compared to all your undergrad courses, this will be wonderful opportunity. ठीक है, तो मुझे लगता है कि ये करना चाहिए। ठीक है, not much of the information is provided, but whatever the information is available, ठीक है, this is what we are sharing with you. Okay, so there is age limit. Okay, someone who is born after this particular age will be able to apply. Qualifying examination is 10+2. ठीक है, wherein 60% marks are needed. Okay, and seats would be, you can say, look at it, is very, you can say, less number of seats, 50 seats and additional 10 supernumerary for female candidates. So this is additional 10 for female and 50 is for all, that is male female. ठीक है, so I'm sure you understand this. और 50 में से there will be reservation, so you have to keep in mind. So number of seats are quite less. Okay, so if you look at this entire course, 3+2 year will be very interesting. 3 year is a normal BBA. Okay, when you do at IIM IPM MBA, that is 2 year, you'll be joining with the students who are, you can say, coming to you, you can say, after CAT. Okay, ठीक है, fees would be, when you are doing your BBA program, it is 4.5 lakh rupees per annum. When you are doing your MBA, it is 7.5 lakhs. ठीक है, and that is equivalent to PGP fee. Okay, so this is conditional to, you can say, increase. Okay, this is not a fixed amount anyway. Okay, coming back to, you can say, admission exam, whatever the information they provided, they said they are going to conduct their own integrated program in management ka test. Okay, they are going to do it through common entrance examination. 70% will be of common entrance, ठीक है, and 30% is of interview, and based on this there will be a final merit will be developed. I hope it is very clear to you. Great. ठीक है, so दोस्तों उसकी डेट्स के बारे में अभी कुछ नहीं पता है, so they have mentioned coming soon, so we also kept the same thing, coming soon. So the big question is, sir, how do I prepare? Is there any syllabus? दोस्तों कोई भी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम आप ले लीजिए, ठीक है, उनका कोई एक प्रिस्क्राइब्ड सिलेबस कि फिक्स्ड सिलेबस यही होता है, ऐसा नहीं होता है, बट वी ऑल अंडरस्टैंड दैट इन कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशंस, ठीक है, ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर लेवल एंड पास्ट ईयर के पेपर देखकर वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई दैट दिस इज व्हाट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द पेपर. वी हैव गिवन यू एनालिसिस फॉर रोहतक एंड इंदौर दोनों, so I'm sure you are able to understand कि exactly क्या क्या पूछा जाता है. Yes or no? Number one. Number two, this examination is the examination of speed. So you have to show your intelligence per second. Yes or no? ठीक है, आपको मतलब जस्ट इमेजिन 45 मिनट्स में 60 क्वेश्चंस करने हैं, मतलब क्या स्पीड चाहिए होगी. Yes or no? So speed is very important with accuracy because there is a negative marking. Okay, another important part, you must have strong analytical capability because all these questions are not very normal. They are mix of knowledge and analytics, okay, or analytical skill. ठीक है, this is what they want. Okay, so दोस्तों आपको knowledge और analytical skill साथ में चाहिए. ठीक है, and this is what they ask in the examination. And if you are, you can say, not working on your skill, remember this is a skill. Okay, this is not कि मैंने पढ़ लिया, मुझे पता है, मेरे से काम हो जाएगा. No, you have to perform in a given time. है ना, सबके लिए अलग अलग बन जाता है दोस्तों. ठीक है, so we have to work hard. Similarly, a good language capability. मेरा मानना है कि ये कट ऑफ वाली जो एग्जाम है जहाँ पे वर्बल एबिलिटी प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल, ठीक है, वो लैंग्वेज के ऊपर बहुत ध्यान देना होता है. आई हैव सीन large number of students who have cleared their cutoff for math, ठीक है, out and out couldn't manage to clear verbal ability. दोस्तों ये चीज ध्यान रखना, लैंग्वेज कैपेबिलिटी इज अ लॉन्ग टर्म अप्रोच. ठीक है, इट इज नॉट अ शॉर्ट टर्म अप्रोच. यू कांट सिंपली डू इट कि भैया मेरा काम हो गया, अब मैं यू कैन से लैंग्वेज अगले 1 या 2 दिनों में मैं कवर करूंगा. दिस इज रियली नॉट पॉसिबल. आई होप यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. ग्रेट. इफ समवन इज इंटरेस्टेड टू गेट टू नो सिलेबस, ठीक है, let me tell you this is a full syllabus in front of you. Okay, so for example, let's see if you are talking about arithmetic, this is what you have to work on. Algebra, ठीक है, this is a topic for you. Numbers, modern maths, geometry, data interpretation, these are the, we can say, all important topics for your IIM IPM examination. दोस्तों ये 2020 के बेसिस के ऊपर दिया गया है. ओके, ठीक है, लेट मी रिमाइंड यू वन मोर टाइम. 2021, ठीक है, will be heavily dependent on 2020, ठीक है, but still जैसा डिस्क्लेमर फ्रॉम आवर साइड कि भैया ये सिलेबस रहेगा. डिटर्मिनेंट्स पढ़ लीजिएगा, फंक्शंस करिएगा, लॉग्स करिएगा, है ना, दिस आर क्रूशियल एरिया. और बाकी सब टॉपिक जो हर साल रहते हैं वही हमने बताया. यहाँ पे वेक्टर्स के बारे में थोड़ी सी तरीके से पढ़ाई कर लीजिएगा. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड सिमिलरली फॉर योर वर्बल एबिलिटी, आरसी प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. दोस्तों आरसी बहुत इजी होता है, आप पैराग्राफ पढ़ के फटाफट क्वेश्चंस करने के काबिल होने चाहिए. बट बिलीव मी, इट इज नॉट योर स्कूल लेवल, इससे थोड़ा सा हायर लेवल होता है. यू नीड लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. ओके, वोकैब के ऊपर ध्यान देना जरूरी है. ठीक है, वर्बल रीजनिंग plays a very important role like paragraph formation, logical completion of idea, para completion, ठीक है, ग्रामर्स के error detection, sentence improvement, ये बहुत important एरिया बन जाता है. दोस्तों ProTalent provides wonderful opportunity for, you can say, getting trained for all this area. ठीक है, हमारे कोर्सेज जो आपको इस साइट पे मिलेंगे, courses.protalentdigital.com. ठीक है, बहुत तगड़े कोर्सेज है दोस्तों. हमने बहुत डिटेल में हर छोटी छोटी चीजें यू कैन से प्लान करके बनाई है. कोर्सेज प्लूरल फॉर्म में है. ठीक है, दिस इज courses.protalentdigital.com. we have ensured that every small topics are given you in a detailed format. In fact, there are so many content we are providing you free of cost. Yes or no? This is available on our YouTube channel. ठीक है, in fact पूरा syllabus आपके पास available है. ठीक है, हालांकि if you try and take this paid course, it will give you lot of support, a very structured program, you can say daily lot of activity with a proper planning. ठीक है, और बहुत सारे टेस्ट आपको मिलेंगे. सो दोस्तों ओवरऑल अगर मैं बात करूं लॉजिकल रीजनिंग के अंदर भी ये सब एरियाज आपको ध्यान रखने हैं. ओके, दिस इज योर सिलेबस फॉर यू. सो हाउ डू आई प्रिपेयर? मेरे हिसाब से फर्स्ट थिंग इज बेसिक. You must know all topics, you must know all concepts, ठीक है, and you must practice minimum, you can say 100 question per topic, ठीक है। मेरा मानना है कि अप्रोच जनरली क्या होता है, हमारे कोर्स में हम ये चीज ध्यान रखते हैं, यू वॉच वीडियो, ठीक है, यू टुक नोट्स विथ इट, ठीक है, यू सॉल्व फ्यू क्वेश्चंस विथ इट, ओके, ठीक है, देन यू गो फॉर, यू कैन से सॉल्व्ड एग्जांपल्स, आप सॉल्व एग्जांपल्स देखते हैं, ये सर नो, ठीक है, सॉल्व एग्जांपल्स देखने के बाद यू डू अ प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस, ठीक है, प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस यू कैन से इन अ टाइम लाइन, ठीक है, 100 क्वेश्चंस आपको करने हैं। इनफैक्ट we have divided our course into two phases. Study material will be available to you in two phases. In phase 1, ठीक है, with every topic we have given 50 questions, ठीक है, and in phase 2, ठीक है, we have given with every topic you can say you have 100 questions, ठीक है, इस तरीके से हमने पूरा स्ट्रक्चर किया है। आई एम श्योर यू विल रियली एंजॉय दिस एंटायर स्ट्रक्चर। सो दोस्तों, ये आपको बेसिक करना जरूरी है। vocab plays a very important role. What we have done in our vocab is we know that vocab has to be done through varieties of the means. Okay, so for vocab we provide 4 to 5 different approaches. One approach is 10 words per day. Okay, so we cover some around 1000 plus words by this 10 words per day. Okay, so on an average आपके पास 110 days का एक कंटिन्यूअस टारगेट होगा, रोज 10-10 वर्ड्स करना। दिस इज व्हाट वी डू, नंबर 1। नंबर 2, वी आल्सो पिक अप वर्ड्स फ्रॉम न्यूज़पेपर्स। यस और नो, न्यूज़पेपर आर्टिकल में से वर्ड्स करना। सो देयर आर सम अराउंड 60 डेज का टारगेट फॉर न्यूज़पेपर रिलेटेड पार्ट, ठीक है, हम ही आपको बना के देते हैं। You read newspaper article, we highlight those words and we identify synonyms, antonyms, usage of that word, so that you are, you can say, trying to learn a word in a particular context. Okay, then we provide you test on word. Okay, this is another way we provide, ठीक है। So here you get 75 days का target. Okay, and इसके अलावा you can say you have a special advanced level verbal ability, you can say lectures wherein we discuss with you that किस तरीके के ये word in particular sentence में किस तरीके से वो set होता है, उसका मतलब क्या हुआ, contextually जब हम confuse होते हैं क्या चीजें हमें करनी चाहिए, वो सब आपको यहाँ पे vocab में मिलता है। Obviously मैथ्स के ऊपर तो बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेस है, ठीक है, मैथ्स का पूरा सिलेबस वी ट्राई टू कवर इन मेनी वेज। ओके, सो वन, देयर आर लाइव क्लासेस, देयर आर रिकॉर्डेड मॉड्यूल्स अवेलेबल फॉर टॉपिक वाइज। कुछ कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक में डिटेल्ड डीपर इनसाइट डेवलप करने के लिए वी प्रोवाइड टॉपिक वाइज वीडियोस एज वेल। Okay, we also cover this advanced maths 11th 12th wala. This is very important. You must take one mock IIM IPM to get acquainted and then start focusing on, you can say, practicing more and more. Okay, you must analyze and revise regularly. Okay, so what I believe, let's say if you are sitting in the month of January right now, so January February, in 2 months you can cover full syllabus, okay, for your math, ठीक है। English is the continuous work in progress till your examination, okay, so but once you complete your syllabus for math, you must start taking lot of sectional test, topic wise test, mock test, है ना। So we provide, you can say, a topic wise test. Every topic we have devised 2 tests. With every topic there are 2 tests available. Just imagine, you can say there are some around, let's say 28 to 29 topics, ठीक है, और हर टॉपिक के साथ 2-2 टेस्ट है। सो आप देखेंगे कि कौन से टॉपिक में आपको सबसे ज्यादा दिक्कत हुई, इज व्हाट यू विल बी इन अ पोजीशन टू आइडेंटिफाई एंड जज, ठीक है, कि भैया अब हमें आगे और पढ़ाई कैसे करनी है, कौन से एरिया पे ध्यान देना है, कौन सा मेरे लिए इजी टॉपिक है, कौन सा मेरे लिए डिफिकल्ट टॉपिक है। दिस इज वेरी क्रूशियल, यस और नो, ठीक है। सो दोस्तों, with this I strongly, you can say, invite and urge everyone to join ProTalent. We have a wonderful course available which is a study material part. You can very well purchase all these things through our website called protalentdigital.com. Okay, ठीक है, on this website you can purchase our study material. It is a physical study material. Once you purchase it, ठीक है, we will be dispatching it in 24 hours, so you should get in 7 to 10 days time. Okay, similarly this test series is available. Okay, this test series is wonderful test series. We have ensured that you get updated content. Okay, similarly in our online course, okay, we actually provide you lot of updated content. Once you start working on this with us, believe me, you will get lot of advantage. Okay, you want to know more about our courses, you can visit this site called courses.protalentdigital.com. Okay, you can very well purchase from there. Okay, it's a very simple process. In case you want to be in, you can say, in touch with us. Okay, we have given you a link, you just put your details on the link. We'll be more than happy to be in touch with you. Okay, thank you very much. I hope I could, you can say, give you a broader outline about how to prepare for this IMIPM. Okay, once you have gained this knowledge, I'm sure you will be in a position to plan your entire thing in a right manner. Yes or no? Great, dosto. Thank you very much. Do not miss out to like this, you can say, video, subscribe to our channel, you can say, share it widely to large number of people so that people get to know that ProTalent is providing you wonderful content. Okay, thank you very much. All the best.